Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download League of Legends in your company. So League of Legends is Riot Games product. So before I giving you the steps, please guys subscribe to the channel in order to keep up the content. All what you need to do, open your browser, then type download League of Legends. Then you will have first or second link. It's based on Indonesian. Let's say you are from Europe West, so we'll go for download for Windows, and then you will have this step of the installation and you will wait it for it. So after the downloading, all what you need to do, just open the software that you already installed, and then you go for advanced settings. Then please set up in which location that you want to install, and take consideration that you have 14 GB download. So after that you can just press install in order to get this panel of Riot Games. I already installed the game, I already have the League of Legends my account. So all what you will have this thing. We'll go through an installation phase. So that's it guys, how to download a League of Legends in your computer. Please like, share and subscribe.